Der Lousberg ist eine in der Kreidezeit entstandene Geoformation, welche sich nordwestlich des heutigen Aachener Stadtzentrums befindet. Geologisch ist er ein Sandberg mit steilen Hängen, auf dessen Bergrücken sich eine Kalkschicht befand, die ihn vor Erosion schützte. Bis 5000 v. Chr. lag der Berg bewaldet und fast unberührt in der Landschaft. In der Jungsteinzeit begannen die Menschen mit dem Abbau von Feuerstein, was mit einer punktuellen Abholzung des Baumbestands einherging. Aus dem gewonnenen Feuerstein des Lousbergs wurden größtenteils Beile hergestellt. Diese steinzeitlichen Werkzeuge handelte man bis zu 280 Kilometer abseits ihres Ursprungs. Der intensive Abbau über mehrere Jahrtausende bewirkte die Abtragung eines Großteils der Kreidekalkablagerungen.
The project set up a living lab in the Hokkaido district, including the former landfill Duisenberg in the north and extending further south close to the city center. In the Living Lab, a number of nature-based solutions, short NBS, are planned and implemented to improve the productive green infrastructure within the district. The first NBS is located on the Duisenberg. The hilly area is used for producing green energy with solar panels. Furthermore, outside activities like jogging and birdwatching will be made possible.
My grandma inspired me to be in a community garden myself. That's why I'll introduce you to my urban gardening club in Dortmund today. It is located in a former industrial area of Dortmund, Hokkaido. Where I stand today, there once was an industry. For a long time, this was environmentally degraded and unused land, which led to a deterioration of the public and semi-public spaces. Now it's a completely different atmosphere. But what is a community garden exactly? A community garden is a shared semi-public space where people in the surrounding neighborhood work together to grow fruits, vegetables and livestock. Since the community garden was created here, the neighborhood increasingly connected with each other. I made so many new friends here.
Turin is an important business and cultural center in northern Italy and the capital city of the Piedmont region. The city has a population of 867,620 people on approximately 130 square kilometers. It's a very green city surrounded by a green belt called Corona Verde. The Mirafiori district is very much linked with the history of the Fiat company. It's located along the river Sangone on the south of the Corona Verde. The district has a population of around 40,000 people on 12 square kilometers. The Stabilimento di Mirafiori are the headquarters of the Fiat company. Opened in 1939, production soon converted for the war effort.
The first known green walls were found in the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in 600 BC. Green roofs were used in cave-like structures covered with earth and plants to fulfill the role of agriculture, dwelling, and ceremonies. With time, numerous civilizations used climbing plants to cover buildings, what is now known as green facades and roofs. In the 1930s in America, greening buildings started with the development of hydroponic systems on green walls. In the 1960s, green roofs further developed in Germany. From there on, the trend spread to other countries.
The Living Lab in Zagreb is located in Sesvete. The district is part of Zagreb's urban fabric. It has grown rapidly in recent decades, and despite a closely knit community, the district lacks a distinct local identity. It's an old economic zone, but it's connected with the railway and will be served in the future with an advanced road network. Sesvete is rich in natural green areas but lacking appropriate public access. At the same time, it's experiencing an increase in commercial and industrial traffic at the heart of the district. The overloaded transport infrastructure is negatively impacting green spaces and reduces the quality of living for residents.
But what are the benefits of urban agriculture, and how can they address the different sustainable development goals? The benefits can be divided into environmental, economic, and social. Urban agriculture offers a possibility to adapt to climate change and so reduce the adverse effects of extreme rainfall and flooding events. Green infrastructure within cities can cool down the temperature and lower the air pollution levels.
Our cities are growing ever more rapidly. To meet this increasing demand for building land, agricultural land must be converted. Due to increasing urban densification, there is a strong loss of green spaces in cities, mainly where open space qualities are already under attack. However, these areas are important to provide people with food. Half of the area alone is taken up by arable crops, yet only about 43% of this is directly consumed by people. Meanwhile, over 30% for animal food production, which is often a less efficient use of land. The remaining land is used to grow various fruits and vegetables and products for fuel, as well as to raise livestock.
Have you ever asked yourself what's the reason behind you buying a local product? Well, in order to answer this question, you need to be familiar with the concept of urban agriculture, its role in our food system, and the politics behind the food. Now, talking about food, do you know what a food system is? Well, the food system is nothing but a dynamic network of activities involving the course our food takes, starting from its production, processing, transportation, distribution, consumption, and waste management. But there are many challenges that can instantly affect our food system, like climate change, scarcity and depletion of resources, public health, and urbanization.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye!